Hi guys, this is the last part, and this is how I built the roof. Okay, so we're gonna need one right here. Oops. So we're gonna do this kind of. Yeah, that's good. And then we're gonna do one layer on top, and then we're gonna do another one, which is right over here. It's gonna go all the way over here. That's for part 2. Okay, and then another one right here. But this is going to not that much roof. Oh no, it's gonna fall. Gosh. Okay, need this one. Put it right here, which is going to be the door. And then this one is going to be like the other door to how to open it. And then the double blank, and we're going to use it for last special. It's going to be the door, the back way. Hi, bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in our next video, which is going to be about gymnastics.